Full adder is a combinational circuit which is designed for adding 3 bits, and it has output sum and carry. This is the truth table for the full adder, which has inputs A, B, C and output sum and carry. Now you apply the binary addition table, 2-bit binary addition to get the sum and carry. The trick is how to remember sum and carry. So for sum, if there are odd number of ones are there, we will get the output 1. And for carry, if even number of ones and all ones are there, then carry is 1. So here I have just copied the rows where the sum is 1. So here the sum is 1, where the you can say in input combinations odd number of ones are there. So this is the trick that for 3-bit addition odd number of ones are there, then sum is 1. For the carry, here you can observe even number of ones are there in the input, so carry is 1. Otherwise, and again all ones are there, then also carry is equal to 1. Now let us see how to obtain the equation for the sum. For obtaining the equation for the sum, I have copied the rows where the sum is equal to 1. So these are the rows where the sum is equal to 1. Now I will express this sum in the form of sum of products expression, or SOP expression. Now you can write this first row as A is 0, B is 0 and C is 1. We can write it as A bar, B bar, C. We can write this as A bar, B bar, C. Second row, A is 0, B is 1, C is 0. So that is A bar, B, C bar. Likewise, third row is A, B bar, C bar. Wherever 0 is there, you write it as bar. Third is A, B, C. Third is A, B, C. Now, let us take from these two A bar common. So in bracket B bar C plus B C bar. From this A as common, so you will get B bar C bar plus B C. Now you know that X bar Y plus Y bar X is equal to X XOR Y, and X bar Y bar plus XY is equal to X XOR Y bar. So I have used here B bar C plus B C bar is B XOR C, and B bar C bar plus B C is B XOR C, or B X bar C bar. Now let B XOR C is equal to U. So you can write A bar U plus A U bar. Now again this is a XOR operation, so A XOR U. So finally you will get, you put the value of U, that you will get A XOR B XOR C. So this is the sum equation for the full adder. Now let us do the carry equation. For the carry, again even number of I have copied the rows where carry is equal to 1. So you will get A bar for first row, A bar B C, for second row A, B bar C, third row A B C, final is A B, sorry, third is A B C bar, last is A B C. Now carry, here from this equation we take, from these two we will take C outside, and from this we will take AB outside. So C A bar B plus B bar A plus AB C bar plus C. So A bar B plus AB bar is A XOR B. So C A XOR B, AB into 1, because C plus C bar is equal to 1. That is the Boolean law. Now AB we have taken here plus C A XOR B. So this is one expression for the carry. In some books you will find this expression for the carry. Now we have to draw this expression. So for the sum, For the sum, we have A XOR B XOR C. So sum is equal to this one. We have used two XOR gates. We have given A and B to one XOR, you will get at the output here A XOR B, and another C is given to second XOR. So at the output you will get A XOR B XOR C. For the carry, AB is there, so this AND gate will give AB, A and B, and this AND gate will give this part. C is there at the input and output of first XOR gate, that is A XOR B. So carry is AB plus C A XOR B. Next, there is another carry equation for the full adder. In few books you will get another version of the carry equation. For that I have taken this first part of the carry. So that is A bar BC AB bar C plus ABC bar plus ABC. So this is written here. Now A bar BC plus AB bar C plus AB, here the common is C plus C bar, you will get 1. So again this is AB. Now in AB we can add here 1 plus C. Why we are adding 1 plus C? Because there are 3 variables and remaining is C only. So we know as per the Boolean laws 1 plus C is equal to 1. So we can write it as 1 plus C. Now we will simplify this. A bar BC A plus AB bar C plus AB plus ABC. Now from A bar BC plus ABC we will take BC outside and you will get A bar plus A. Then A B bar C as it is, A B as it is. A bar plus A is equal to A. So BC into 1. Then we are here now plus A bar BC, so plus AB bar C plus AB. Now BC we can for the BC into 1, for that we are adding 1 plus A, because BC remaining variable is A. So 1 plus A is equal to 1. So adding 1 plus A doesn't have any effect. Now we will cross multiply BC. So BC plus ABC plus AB bar C is plus AB. So we are here now BC. Now we are from these two, from these two we'll take AC outside and you will get in the bracket AB plus B bar plus AB. Now B plus B bar is equal to 1. So finally you will get BC plus AC plus AB, or AB plus BC plus AC. Normally in most of the books sum equation is A XOR B XOR C and carry equation A is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. So this is the logic diagram for sum equation AB plus A XOR B XOR C, and carry equation AB plus BC plus AC. Drawing is very easy. I have used here it is used 3 input XOR gate. Then this is giving AB, this is giving BC, and this is giving AC, and finally all are odd. In few books they will ask you to draw the full adder, or in some exams they will ask you to draw the full adder using half adder. So this is the diagram. Here how you are going to remember this diagram? So you have to take 2 half adders and 1 OR gate. Now half adder, first half adder is this one. You know the half adder has the carry AB and A XOR B as the sum. Now now give this sum output to the second half adder. So it is given A XOR B. Then give another input C to the second half adder. Next you have carry of the first adder remaining, give it to the OR gate. So it is AB, and carry of the second half adder also give it to the OR gate. So you will get carry of first adder as AB, and carry of second adder is C A XOR B. Why? Because input to the half adder is A XOR B and C, and half adder does the ORing for the carry. Sorry, it will AND the inputs for the carry. So carry is C and A XOR B. So this is the carry, and sum is, we know that sum is the XOR operation. So inputs are A XOR B, and second input is C. So A XOR B XOR C. So sum is C. Now carry is given to the OR gate. This carry is given to the OR gate. You will get addition of this. So AB plus C dot A XOR B, and sum is here A XOR B XOR C. So how you are going to remember this full adder using half adder? So take two half adders, then to one half adder give two inputs, to second half adder give another input, and combine the sum of sum of one half adder give to the second half adder input. Then combine carry of both the half adders, give it to the OR gate, you will get the carry output. And second half adder sum is output, half adder sum output is the output of the full adder. So this is the full adder using half adder. So this is all I have covered for the full adder, using full adder in the digital electronics.